Having some milk.
Wow, is that good? You're hitting it kind of hard there, son.
He's just having fun with the cup now. He's taking a healthy slash.
I am not promoting that.
That's not good technique, son. The first 3 slashes stayed in.
You want any more pizza? Dad. You're gonna regret laughing. You're so gonna regret this.
It's pretty funny, though. No more of that, son.
Have some pizza?
No more of that.
You seem like a pool of milk.
It's all on him. You're right. That's not good technique to laugh at that. Sorry, not to, though.
You're funny. I laugh. That's good pizza, huh?